Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. I'm back here in our service department, and I'm holding a tool that I probably shouldn't be. But I'm here to remind you that this month is National Car Care Month, and it's a great time to make sure that your car is ready for the upcoming part of the year, which I will not name. So, in Wisconsin, we do have several months out of the year in which life is not as great as it is during the summer, and it is also not great for your vehicle. So it's best to get a head start and make sure that all your maintenance needs are up to date and good to go, so that as we trudge along towards next April, that those few months of the year are not going to give you any more trouble than they need to. So our service department does book out. Shoot us a call or stop by today and make sure that your car is taken care of for oil changes, tires, brakes, all these things that'll keep you safe as it gets slippery outside. We're happy to help.